Okay, this time I went to a resale store. I kind of call it a thrift store, but it's not really, I don't guess. Like when people are having big estate sales, or I don't know how she gets all her stuff, but you know, she'll go in and buy it, you know, by the bulk, and however other way she gets it. But and her prices, they're good prices, but they're not good to buy stuff to resell, I don't believe. Maybe some of it is, but most of the stuff I got is just for me, and I spent $136. But if you're watching this, babe, I use my own checking account. But this was $5, and it's so pretty. Look at that. And I'm wheezing. It was regularly $14.99 at whatever store, but the bottom opens, so whatever you put in it, you'd have to put in that way. But yeah, $5. And then she had this one. She said it's $5 too, and I hate the color. But I might put it out in my shop because it's green, and my shop's got some pretty bright colors. Maybe one day I'll get to work in there again. And then let's see, she had, so that was, the green thing was $5 too. She had that candelabra, and it was $12, which is a little high for me, but you know, it's got all the crystals on it and all, which I guess it ain't a bad price. And it's a lot like the one I've got over there, so I might can combine them, or they're a little bit different but a lot alike, so I don't know. I'll see what I can do. But I'll put that there to mark where to set my camera. My grandson had made those. Happy holidays. And so let me set this down. Let's see, that looks pretty good. I need to flip this up, or I'll be able to see what I'm doing. Move that out of the way, and I'm going to try to talk louder because I'm going to be rattling the bags as I dig this stuff out. And if I talk low, you'd have to cut your volume up, and the rattling would drive you nuts. But I wanted to show you also, I got these at Dollar General the other day, and I think they were $1 a piece. I might be wrong. And they're over there in the gardening section, and they're made to go on a edge of a pot, but they're made out of resin. But they're so cute. And a blue one. But anyway, I just want to share that. I thought of that when I was looking at my little bird cage thing. So she had this, and it was $5. I thought that was pretty. I don't know where I'm going to set all this stuff as I dig it out. And these, you set hot pans on. I don't know if that's what I'll use them for, but I got 2 of that shape. And 2 that are that shape. If I don't use it for that, I can use it for something. Oh, and I fell in love with this. Oh, those were 3 a piece, the hot plate things. So see, you can tell, I don't normally spend that kind of money. But, I hope there's enough light. Look at that flower pot. I don't know what it is really, but it's so pretty. I fell in love with it. What did I say? $6 for that. I'm gonna have to set some bigger stuff in the floor. And then I just got these for add a little fun to my shop since it's got all the bright colors. I got 3 packs of that, $2 a pack. I'll put them in the floor. Well, I'll put them in that pot. Okay. Let me get the paper away from the microphone. I figured out I was covering up the microphone in my other videos. I'd put my finger up there. Hey, I almost said finger instead of finger. So that's why the sound was messed up. But look at that. It was $7. No, it's $6. Is that pretty or what? I don't know if it's gonna. I didn't get my reading glasses. Oh, and I need them. Because there's something I'm wanting to read in here. And I thought, I'll remember to get them. I should have known better than that. And this is so pretty. And I don't remember what she charged for that, but there's something missing. It's like it slid down on something, or I don't know. But I thought it was just so pretty. I got it in, oh, there it is, 6. I don't know if she charged 6 or what, but it's pretty. I can't remember. I was looking at something. She's got so much stuff that, I mean, sometimes you can't even go down all the aisles of stuff. You just have to wait till she situates it or whatever. It's a lot of stuff. And I like these little things. I'd like to get some ideas to make some one day. So I usually get those if they're cheap, and it was $1. You know, she puts a cheap price on her cheaper stuff. She knows her stuff. And here, somebody had a thimble collection. Oh God, I think she said she had 300. And some were 3, this one was 3. Whoever tried to sell it before had 5 on it. And it says vintage teapot. A purple little teapot. And that's mine. And I got one for my daughter-in-law. She likes to sew. And she has little bitty hands and little bitty fingers. And this $3. And look how little. It says vintage cobalt blue. And it's just got a simple little design. She had 2 of them. The other one was bigger and it had I didn't like the design as much. I think my daughter-in-law liked that. And this $3. It's a card holder, like business cards. I can do something else with it. It's just pretty. That's all I know. Okay. And this, I'm gonna paint over the date and the name. And I can just take it off or something. Ain't that pretty? Okay. And I don't know if I'll keep that or not. That may be something. How much was it? It's $2, so I could probably resell that, but it is cute. And she had these, oh man, what do you call that? Where people wear the beads and all that. Anyway. It's a, I can't read that. Something collection. I like fish. I got a bunch of fish tanks, so. She had frogs and these kind of clowns or something that go in and out of a box. Mardi Gras. Okay. Yay, I remembered. Alright. And why get one when you can get 2? Now the other one's missing the little earrings. But we can work with that. That's a metal tag. Huh. And I got a K for Kim with a kitty cat that looks like my Punky Poo. 50 cents. See, she ain't high on that kind of stuff. I mean, she ain't real high anyway, but let me open the paper over here. Okay. And I get the nice looking little things like this to keep small earrings or something in on my vanity. Mostly I get floral ones. Oh, there's some flowers in it. And it was $3. So she ain't gonna put 50 cents on that. Okay. Oh, and she was talking about she's people order stuff or shop online. I tried to find it, but I can't find it. I'm gonna stop by, and if I can figure out how you can shop online for her stuff, I'll put a link, but it won't be like today. It'll be later. I'll add the link whenever I find out, but I've looked online, I couldn't find it. And a little bird. I think 3 was a little high for that, but I can use it in a bird cage. And I think that was $1. And I got that. I love it. $5. See, that's not like me to have these kind of stickers on a bunch of stuff, but this is Kim stuff. This ain't something I'm gonna flip or whatever you call it. Redo, alter, I don't know what they call it. This was $3. Like a little hanging purse, I guess. Anyway, it was cute. Okay, let's see what's in this one. I can't even remember. Oh, gotta be gentle. Beautiful! $8, beautiful. Oh, that's what I wanted to read. Oh, come on, eyes. Hopefully you can see how pretty it is. I just love it. Okay, one more bag. God, you'd think it'd be more bags. Okay, there's the other 2 packs of the little critters. It's tablecloth weights, but I'll use it to decorate my shop. And I like these frames because I told myself I wasn't going to let myself buy more frames because I don't put pictures in. I had so many empty frames sitting around with good intentions. But that metal's on the outside and the glass behind it. I just thought that looks, it ain't old, but it looks old, you know. I like that. Okay, let's see what else. Oh, let me move these things. These plates I went crazy for. Well, I'm going to keep that paper because I'm going to... Okay. There's one of them. $4. And there's the back. And then it's got the little paper. I don't really care about all that stuff, but I'm like, well, you know, just going with it. I just think it's pretty, you know. There's a collector thing. Looks like her newspaper is kind of dirty, but that's all right. And then there's that one. I just love them. Okay, this one's called Remembrance. What was that one called? The other one was called Exquisite. It's just exquisite. Okay. They had a couple more, but they just didn't turn me on that much, so I left them. Okay, this one's called Enchantment. It's like, it's beautiful, but I like the others a lot better. But I wanted, what did I get, 6? I think I wanted 6, so. This one's called Precious. Ain't that beautiful? Ooh, doggy. Uh-oh, where's my newspaper? Alright, I've messed up somewhere. Maybe she didn't wrap each one. Okay, well, I'm going to put that in the side and wrap it in newspaper. Okay. Oh, and that one's Glory. Pretty, pretty. Man, I love these. Okay, I need some more newspaper. Yeah. Because until I hang them, I'm going to keep them wrapped. Oh, what's this one called? Cherished. Isn't that pretty? Okay, and it came also these little extra papers. Lena Lou's. And there's the back. And there's the inside. Something will never get filled out. You can tell my hands are shaky. And that's all. Gosh, should have been more than that for all that money. But anyway, it ain't really that much money, but it is to me. Anyway, what do you think all my goodies? And ain't that so pretty? I got so much pretty stuff. I am so happy. And this, and this. I just love them. So I got like, oh, I keep thinking that's a 7. So I got $11 worth of little bitty shoes just right here. Crazy. Yeah, okay. But thanks for watching, and maybe, let's see, what am I going to redo out of this? Nothing really, except the not chandelier, the candelabra. I'll paint it, or let me see if it's, I'll either paint it or mix it with the other one. You know, combine them. And of course, you know, I'll do something with that, put a bird in it and some lights maybe or something. And I may put it where I got the one that I made. I might end up selling the one I made. I don't know, because I like this one better than the green one. Oh, I don't know. I may have to paint that green one anyway. I'll have to see how it looks in my shop, but that is some green. Anyway, hope you liked the video. Hit like and subscribe. Thanks a lot.